Alexa, open the curtains. Starboard bow, motorhome, cooking, getting the AC replaced. I'm heading out of town for a couple of days. It's probably pretty interesting to be on the road in a vehicle where I can put it at 75 miles an hour, cruise control, and it feels like I'm going 50, but I'm moving in a good pace, and I can actually get somewhere very quickly without worrying or hearing creaking and squeaking and whatever. But I do miss being on the road, so I jumped in the vehicle. I'm on the road. I'm heading north towards Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm hearing it's a good time to be in Las Vegas. The rates are very affordable. Not a lot of people there. The weather's pretty nice. Not as nice as it is back home in San Clemente or Danny Point, but it is nice there. So I'm going to go spend a couple of days there and contribute to the fund, the Las Vegas fund of gambling. I mean, new gambling, not much, but enough just to have some fun and enjoy the atmosphere of Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to try and get in a round of golf, and at the same time going to check out, do a little walking around the street there if the weather's not too hot. And I'm going to bring you with me, and we're going to go enjoy it, and I'll let you know what's happening. I'm on the 15 north right now, and it's about a 5-hour drive, but it's, like I said, going 75 miles an hour is a treat in this car. But don't want to make fun of my Damon Hornet. I love my RV. I enjoy driving it. It's very comfortable, and unless I'm going up a hill, obviously. But let's see what kind of fun we can have. It's very clear, no traffic, knock on wood, and like I said, I'm cruising about 75 miles an hour. I've been getting a lot of responses on my videos. I appreciate everybody watching. Trying to get the content up and make it as informative and interesting as possible. So keep commenting. Let me know what maybe you'd like to see. I've been trying to hit off and getting off the road and try and find some real cool places to camp out at, because I like to be, like I said, by a body of water or something. But obviously today on the way up to Las Vegas, that is not going to happen. Getting close to the election, a couple of weeks from now. The normal routine, getting a lot of, everybody's going to be leaving the country if this person wins and that person wins. But I don't want to get too political, but I do rant once in a while. I just can't wait for the election to be over. I'm going to leave probably a couple of days before the election and disappear, so that I don't have to watch the TV and the news and all that other good stuff, and just come back and be surprised on where our country's going to be going in the next 4 years. So enjoy the ride, and let's see what we can do. see if you can guess where I'm at. Yeah, okay. Don't get smart. That's the first time I've seen that thing. Looks like a bowl of noodles. Is that noodles? Bowl, big noodle bowl for Chinese noodle. Oh wait, that's a stadium. Oh my God! I thought that was a big bowl of noodles. Big bowl for noodles. Pretty cute. I don't know. It's wow, interesting. I'm gonna have to go over there and walk around. Wow, this is unbelievable. I just pulled right into Las Vegas without stopping one time for anything. This is Las Vegas Boulevard. This is very spooky. Spooky's not the word. Look at this. Oh my God. This is Caesar's Palace right here. Wow. Would you look at this unbelievable. This is Las Vegas Boulevard. There's two cars at the stoplight. Oh my Lord, it's gonna be fun. I'll tell you what, this is beautiful. There's valleys. Look at that. Isn't that something about pulling into Las Vegas that makes your day? I don't even know yet. Oh, we're in Paris too. Paris and Las Vegas. Where else only other than the United States of America can you visit all the countries in one boulevard? Population. This is awesome. And then there's the Bellagio with its waters, and then there's nobody else. Oh my God, this is so interesting. And those of you watching that are familiar with this point, you'll feel the same way. Look at this road. I feel like it's like 3:30, even at 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, this road is not like this. Wow. Nobody on the road. Wow. Very interesting thing. And that's Margarita. Usually it's packed. Not today. Caesar's Palace. Mirage, the Treasure, Trump. Palazzo. I'm hearing the Encore, guys, is shut down. It's only open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday night. Is that weird? buttoning, and it opened. Level 1. See, I'm assuming. We're on level 1. Guess what it did. He's not. Find it. Look. Here, dummy. Said I put it in there instead of right here. That's so funny. Over here, refrigerator. I just emptied it out, put my sodas in there. Bunch of junk, candy that might buy $8 a box. I mean, if you're here hanging out, why not? But I can do without them. Closet. Sure. Oh, that goes to the next room. Interesting. That was wide open. And then you got the bathroom, TV, bathtub. This Bob tub, it looks like. Nice little shower.